What would you do if everything you saved disappeared in the blink of an eye? In the heart of a prosperous city stood a grand vault. It was the pride of the people, a towering structure made of gleaming stone and iron. The vault held the city's collective wealth: gold, jewels, land deeds, and trade agreements. The people trusted the vault completely, for it was guarded by the custodians, an elite group that promised security and stability. "Your wealth is safe with us," the custodians proclaimed. "We protect it. We grow it." The people believed them. They worked hard, depositing their earnings into the vault, confident that their futures were secure. But behind the massive iron doors, the custodians controlled everything. They decided who could access their wealth, charged high fees, and lent out the people's savings without their knowledge. One day, disaster struck. The vault vanished overnight. It wasn't broken into or robbed. It simply disappeared. The great iron doors were gone, the treasures inside lost without a trace. Panic erupted in the city. "How could this happen?" the people cried. "Where is our wealth? What will we do now?" The custodians appeared, but instead of answers, they gave excuses. "It was an accident," they claimed. "We'll rebuild the vault, but it will take time, and you'll need to pay more to keep your wealth safe." Distraught and angry, the people had no choice but to wait. Without the vault, they couldn't trade, invest, or plan for the future. They felt powerless. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a stranger appeared in the marketplace. He carried a small glowing device and spoke to the crowd. "You don't need the vault," he said calmly. "I have a better way." The people scoffed. "How can anything replace the vault? It's the foundation of our city." The stranger smiled. "This isn't a vault. It's a decentralized ledger. It's not stored in one place, and no one controls it. Not me, not you, not anyone. It's called Bitcoin." The crowd grew silent as the stranger explained. "This ledger records every transaction transparently. It doesn't need iron doors or guards because it's protected by a network. No one can make it vanish, and no one can manipulate it. Your wealth belongs only to you." Skeptical but intrigued, a young baker named Lena decided to try it. She began using Bitcoin to trade flour for goods. To her surprise, the transactions were instant, secure, and required no custodian. Slowly, others followed her lead. As more people adopted the decentralized ledger, the city transformed. They no longer depended on the custodians or feared losing their wealth. They traded directly, building trust through the transparent network. The vanished vault became a distant memory, a relic of a flawed system. The people had found a way to secure their wealth that no one could take away. They were free at last. The vault is the centralized financial system, vulnerable and prone to collapse. Bitcoin is the decentralized network, secure and unbreakable. The question is, will you trust the old vault, or will you embrace the ledger of the future?